Hi guys, this travel guide is brought to you by a real local. Sì, sono italiano. Today we'll guide you through
Bolzano city on the border with Austria with fun historical train rides over the mountain ridge, secret viewing spots over the mountain range, and traditional food in traditional pubs.
Hi, I'm Orlando and you're watching WishCasting. We do world travel guides and try to get you traveling for free by joining Emirates, one of the highest paying companies with biggest network in the world. Join our tutorials and travel guides every Wednesday and Sunday at 5 p.m. plus 2 GMT. Bolzano, or Bozen, is the capital city of the province of South Tyrol in northern Italy. Bolzano is also by far the largest city and third largest in Tyrol. It has about 250,000 inhabitants and is one of the urban centers within the Alps. Its medieval city center, Gothic and Romanesque churches, and bilingual signage give it the flavor of a city at the crossroads of Italian and Austrian cultures. This is the Walter Square. From here, many small little alleys lead to the city center where all the action happens. Most people stroll around here, stop for a beer in the open, and meet up with their friends. In 2014, Bolzano ranked as having the best quality of life in Italy. 73.8% of the city's inhabitants speak Italian and 25.52% German. Under Benito Mussolini's fascism, when South Tyrol became part of Italy, Italian language became predominant in Bolzano. The highest point is 1616 meters above sea level, and the lowest point is 232 meters above sea level. The city center is located at 260 meters above sea level. This creates a dramatic effect since the mountains behind are super close to the city center, and the difference in height is massive. 1,400 meters of steep climb to backyard mountains.
This video is part of a 4-episode travel guide. You can find all of our videos in the link here in the upper right corner.
The nearest big cities are Trento at 58 kilometers distance and Innsbruck at 118 kilometers distance. Street food is a must. Hot dogs and beer. During winter you get German-style Christmas markets with hot wine. It's perfect. Architecture is insane. Beautiful blend of Romanesque and Gothic medieval characteristics with Austrian Bavarian hints. German and Italian signage in old-fashioned fonts. It feels like if you were in a fairy tale. We recommend going to the Birreria Bierstubenforst. It's right in the city center. It has a great variety of beers and traditional food. It's fully made out of wood and beautiful decor, making you feel just like if you entered in a proper Bavarian pub in Munich. Cool part is that you actually eat off a pan. Renon's cable car connects Bolzano city to Sopra Bolzano on the neighboring mountains. It only takes 12 minutes for the gondolas to move from Sopra Bolzano to Bolzano, and they depart every 4 minutes. One-way ticket cable car costs 6 euros, return ticket cable car costs 10 euros. You may park your car here for 2 euros per hour, although we recommend free parking elsewhere to save money. The view from the gondolas is outstanding. It's pure nature and mountains. On a clear day, your pictures will look amazing. Check these ones out. We took them from the gondola ourselves. Once atop the mountains, you may either walk your way around or take the historical train on the mountain cliffs. and witness the most beautiful views of the surrounding area. One-way ticket costs 3.5 euros, return ticket costs 6 euros. If you're a group of 10 plus people, you pay less everywhere. Check down in the description of this video for links and more information to pricing and timings. We took the train and went along a couple of stops and got off at Collalbo. Here we started trekking and followed the first path we found. This is what we witnessed.
If you're interested in reaching this viewing point, follow the first path to the left of the railway station. It's quite close, only 500 meters away. From here, you can scout the main mountains, fly your drone, and take your pictures.
We loved it and recommend coming here 100%. It's relaxing and beautiful at the same time. On our way back, we witnessed a beautiful sunset and a gorgeous view at night of Bolzano city from above. Bolzano has hot summers and very cold winters. We came here in November, although we recommend coming here in June or September for the best weather possible, and you'll need to rent a car.
Without it, you'll be traveling by bus or train and it'll cost you more money and time, so don't. If you want to rent a car, we recommend economycarrentals.com or rentalcarsdiscount.net. We're not paid to say this, it's just super cheap, and we want you to save money just like we did. We paid 7 euros for 10 days. Check this receipt if you don't believe me. That's 7 euros per day. Just make sure you read the fine print 100%.
If you're having trouble finding these places, let us do the work. Down in the description, you may find a link to a map with all the locations visited on this video. Click it, print it, or download it to your phone and take it with you.
To add the locations from this episode, make sure you go to the video description below and click on the map link we have provided under Map Locations. Either print the map or save each location on your phone by tapping each red marker on the map, then scrolling down and tapping on View in Google Maps. Then tap on the place name and finally tap Save. Done. Once you've saved each and every location on the map, open Google Maps and tap the Option tab with the 3 lines on the upper left corner. Tap on Offline Maps, tap on Select Your Own Map, drag to the area you want to save until it covers the area we visit on this episode, zoom in or zoom out depending on how much of the map you want to save, and once ready, tap Download. Once you visit this specific area, you'll be able to get car navigation without internet connection. Usually it's very accurate and makes traveling smooth and easy. Cool tip, huh?
Our top priority is first to save you money, second, get you to live the place like a local, and third, to enjoy the most without compromises. Now I'm from Italy and there's no way I'm letting you out of my country without doing the coolest and cheapest things ever. And I promise you'll never get ripped off. Follow the rest of the episodes and connect with us. All the links are in the description if you want to interact.
We're trying to reach 2,000 subscribers and only your help can make the difference. Subscribe, comment, like, and share if you care supporting us. feel free to take a look at our popular low-cost travel guides here. Check our entire free Emirates Masterclass course here. We'd love to know your experience in the comments below. If you have any other questions, just ask and I will reply. As always, it's my pleasure to do videos. Hope you liked it, and keep it rolling, guys.